Hi, and welcome to Social Work Scrapbook. If you are new here, my name is Lauren. I'm a school social worker in Texas, and part of my role is working specifically with the special education department. As a special education social worker, my main role is connecting families to the services that are available to their students after the age of 22, which is the age that special education students in Texas are no longer served in public schools. In order to ensure that parents and families are ready for this major transition, I do take the families on tours of agencies within and around our district. If you're interested in watching how I execute a successful family tour of services, please keep watching. One of the many services available to students with disabilities are adult day programs. Upon exiting the public school system, many students with disabilities will stay home. This is very unfortunate because they do get very lonely. Adult day habilitation centers combat this loneliness by allowing them to interact and engage in stimulating environments among peers of their age. The first steps to setting up a successful tour is to get a good list of all the day habilitation programs in your area. After you have chosen about 4 different agencies that you'd like to visit with your parents, be sure to write them down in a rough draft type of way. I would also plot them out on Google Maps to see exactly where they are and which ones would be smart to visit first, second, third, and fourth.
Now. This is who I plan to start off with first.
Then you get ready to make your phone calls.
I work at a special education transition center. I'm the social worker, and please let her know it would be myself and about maybe 8 other parents and staff. I'll go ahead and give you another call back as we get closer to that day to confirm everything. Okay? All right. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, bye-bye.
It's a good idea to call these agencies at least 2 to 3 weeks ahead of time because you never know if they're going to be booked. Similar to what's going to happen right now.
Try again. I'm a little bummed because the ARC is super booked. So that didn't work the way I wanted it to. New possibility. Who do I add in then? I was given your number by the main office. I was hoping to schedule a tour of the RMI day program. Yeah, and there wouldn't be any clients. It would just be the parents of. Okay, that sounds good. Well, that one is on the books.
Fast forward 1 month and here we are on our parent tour. We do offer free transportation for the parents to attend the tour. We rent a van through a district and have a teacher volunteer drive us around to the 4 different locations. We will be breaking for lunch right in the middle and providing that for our parents as well. This is me calling our first agency to let them know that we are on the way.
For a tour? We're right down the road. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
As we walk around the grounds of our first agency, this is Reaching Maximum Independence in San Antonio, Texas. This was one of the favorites of the parents, so I decided to highlight it a little bit here today. It's a wonderful program that has several different programs within it to help serve individuals with varying disabilities. The parents are allowed to see the day habilitation program in action and ask several different questions in order to relieve any stress. We also have staff and teachers attend the tour if they're interested so they can also see the different transition possibilities. And we're back on the road to visit 3 other locations. I hope that you have found this video helpful. If you are planning on going into special education, I do recommend that you take a tour of any of the agencies available. It is important that we get ourselves out there and expose ourselves to these agencies so that we are referring our students and our clients to successful and appropriate locations. Thank you for watching, and I'm wishing you social work success until next time.